Oh, Santa Maria. I shouldn't have eaten that chorizo for lunch. Hey, detective!
What were you doing with that body there, Rodriguez?
Nothing, I was just observing. I know where you're getting at. That's not me.
That's why we fired the last guy. No funny business in the
No
morgue.
funny business. No.
What's on the docket for today?
Encontramos este cuerpo.
English, Rodriguez. I don't speak Spanish.
Yeah, my bad. This is the only thing we found in the crime scene. He was laying there in the bathtub naked, holding a bar of soap.
A bar of soap? What are all these red blotches all over his arm?
Allergy season.
Can't be. That was last month. I think it's got something to do with this bar of soap.
You and your conspiracies.
It's no theory. It's bar soap. Bar soap contains sodium lauryl sulfate and parabens, which can cause redness, dryness, and irritation, as well as break down the skin's moisturizing factor.
The morgue. Siempre me das los escalofríos.
Take it easy, Rodriguez. I can assure you, La Llorona is not lurking around this morgue.
Clever, detective. Very clever. Wait a minute. Espérate un segundo. You telling me a bar of soap led to this guy's demise?
Well, Rodriguez, it looks like our friend couldn't cope with the bar of soap.